Oo.
Ba't hindi yun, ha? Sino gumawa nun?
Tingin ko si Maki.
Hindi.
Hindi ba?
Kilala ko yung gumawa nun. De Gregorio with a big 3.
They're still in it.
6-point game.
2-possession game.
Nike Ayon. Binabatay ni Bongga Lanza. Ayon, Oduba, Batino, Ildefonso, and Taiwan. The 5 on the floor for Abra. Ayon. Nandun pa rin si Napoles. Swings it over to Dave Ildefonso. Ildefonso, drop pass. Oduba is there! What a play galing kay Dave Ildefonso. Finding John Oduba wide open underneath.
Si John Oduba ay nasa pinakadulo ng opensa. So nakikita niya lahat. Napakaganda ng find na yon ni Dave Ildefonso.
Vic Manuel will launch the 3 and will miss. This time good box out galing kay Marwin Taiwan on Ian Melencio.
Kailangan makakuha ng stop ng heat waves dito.
The final 2 minutes of game 2. Top seed Abra wants a 2-0 lead in this series. Batino aatake. Shot no. Ildefonso misses as well. De Gregorio behind the back. The spin. Mike DG misses. And Napoles will send Oduba to the free throw line.
Well, Mike had the right thing in mind. Atake kagad yung depensa habang di pa naka-set up. Pero ang ganda rin ng baba ng mga paint defenders nitong Weavers. Hindi naging madali yung drive na yun para kay Mike.
It's been a work in progress here for Abra, but look, every game they look more and more like a finished product. Kasi if you think about game 1, Jason Brickman with that big second quarter, now different players again coming to the fore to help them close this one out.
At saka iba-ibang parts portion ng game, no? You had kanina Raven Gonzalez is really very good.
Had a 9-point, good 9-point half.
That's right. Marquis was also pretty good. There's certain portions here in the third and the fourth.
And Mike Ayon in the first half.
Yep. And then Marwin came in.
Yeah, David Ildefonso, a little bit of everything as well. Alfred Batino with some good plays. Oduba 6 points. He stays at 6 points. Batino with the offensive rebound. Labas kay Marwin Taiwan, an extra possession for Abra. 6 seconds on the shot clock. Taiwan against Melencio. Marwin, layup, masyado malakas. Bulanadi goes to De Gregorio. Atake si Mike DG. The basket plus the foul. Pangasinan still in it. Minute and 11 remaining. A chance to trim it to just 5. This is the fast break of the game, brought to you by Extreme Cool Air Conditioners. Ang Extreme Magpalamig. Free installation for split-type air conditioners.
And that's exactly the same thing that Mike had in mind earlier. This time, na-beat niya yung depensa. Naka-elevate na siya bago dumating pa yung shot blocking attempt on that drive. And he goes to the strike for a bonus.
$11 points and 8 rebounds para kay Mike De Gregorio. Pressure here from Pangasinan. The steal. Oh! Unable to complete the steal there. And Oduba will slow things down. Ildefonso.
This will be big.
8 seconds in the shot clock for Abra. Dave finds Batino, the shot fake and the foul. Alfred Batino will have to earn the 2 points from the free throw line. This is the Gixxer great move of the game. Born for greatness.
Oh, what a crossover.
Broke his ankles there, pero okay lang. No celebration. Nonchalant lang. Kaling kay Muscle Man.
Pero lahat gulat.
Another great decision by Dave Ildefonso on that ball screen, Coach Mike.
Indeed. And he really just has been a primary decision maker for the Weavers. And you have to hand it to how Dave has really conducted himself. Ito, could have gotten that shot, but he saw that slip of Batino. Eh, wala ka nang gagawin kung ikaw si Bong Galanza, kundi foulin. Sa free throw mo na lang kunin yung puntos mo.
Kagulo na yung depensa. Hindi pa nakakaset ng Pangasinan eh.
Scramble eh. Kanya-kanyang habol sa pangunang coverage sa depensa.
51 seconds remaining. Medyo na delay tayo ng konti dito.
Batino has gone to the line and attempted twice, and he's made both. So this will be his second trip.
Oh, missed it. Door slightly open for Pangasinan.
At sanay na sanay ang Pangasinan sa mga ganitong sitwasyon, no? Dikit. May pagkakataon.
And a 2-possession advantage here for Abra. Make that a 6-point game. Melencio. We need a bucket. The Heat Waves. De Gregorio drifts to the corner. Blocked by Ayon.
Ganda ng pagkaka-anticipate nung play na yon. It was either yung pagpunta sa corner ni Mike De Gregorio o yung pagpunta rin sa ibabaw na tres ni Joe Ray Napoles. Yun ang options ni Ian Melencio that time.
And they will review this. That out of bounds. 65 to 59. It will stay with Pangasinan. Ito yung fascinating dito kung ano gagawin ni Coach Gerson off this inbound.
Yeah.
Brickman returns to the game.
Huwag natin kalilimutan doon sa Nueva Ecija game, crucial yung isang krinokis na play ni Coach Gerson off an inbound.
Would you be okay with a quick 2 here, Coach Mike?
I'm fine with a quick 2.
Galanza, Taiwan knocks the ball away.
This one they're gonna review again.
Napoles and Oduba getting in the way of each other. There's another review here. It will stay with Pangasinan. Assistant Coach Harold Nang getting in the way of Dave Ildefonso. And Pangasinan ultimately calls a timeout. The Heat Waves in game 1 way below their numbers. Scoring, they were held to 58, now down, held to 59 in this ball game. Field goals made, only 20, points in the paint, 22. Fast break scoring, this was a big concern, only 4 points for the Heat Waves. Let's give a quick shout out to Boss Robert Kai and family of Boracay de la Ia, traveling all over Northern Luzon.
Oh, yes.
Nanood ng game 1 dito. Ingat po, Boss Robert. De Gregorio, that is short.
Boy, that was a good look.
But he was not comfortable taking that shot, Coach Mike.
Yun yung mid-range, no? Somehow yung calibration mo, iba.
No, you sometimes would want that off the dribble.
That's right.
Taiwan with 5 seconds in the shot clock. Brickman, Ayon for 3. Ball is loose, picked up by Taiwan. Oduba. Ayon slips, Brickman has it. Taiwan trying to secure the game here at home. Well, JB Pernos up on his feet.
And so are the other Abra fans.
Gusto ko yung Gusto ko yung yung whiteboard. Interchangeable yung yung statement mo.
Oo, napapalitan.
Napapalitan, di ba?
Kung medyo tegi-tegi ka, tablet pa yan pero madalian, whiteboard na lang.
Whiteboard. At least hindi kartolina, di ba? Dalo kartolina, di ba?
Huwag naman kartolina. Baka mag-Manila paper pa tayo niya.
Uy, November 27, markahan nyo daw, 3-0. Nako,
Oo.
North Division champion yun kung 3-0.
Oo.
Pero may isa pa, may game 3 pa to. And the Abra Solid North Weavers